Tonight, 6 people have to find somewhere new to sleep after a fire damaged their home this morning. A division fire chief with the Brooklyn Fire Department says crews responded to the home in the town of Union around 5:30. He says crews think lightning hit a tree and the fire started when that energy traveled to the house on a gas service line.
Smoke alarms woke the family up, probably saved the family. This is a two residential structure where there's an apartment and another second place where another family lives. So there are 2 families affected.
Everyone was able to get out before the fire crews got there. The chief says there's heavy water damage on the 1st floor, but the fire damage is just on the 2nd floor and the roof.